Sewerage system. Sewerage system network of pipes, pumps and force mains for the collection of wastewater or sewage from a community. Modern sewerage systems fall under two categories: domestic and industrial sewers and storm sewers. Sometimes a combined system provides only one network of pipes, mains, and outfall sewers for all types of sewage and runoff. The preferred system, however, provides one network of sewers for domestic and industrial waste, which is generally treated before discharge, and a separate network for storm runoff, which may be diverted to temporary detention basins or piped directly to a point of disposal in a stream or river.